Rack Shop is proud to present this Jeep Grand Cherokee with the factory installed metal flush side rail. This is a fit from 2011 through 2021. And again, you do need this chrome metal flush side rail for this to work. Otherwise it will not work at all. Some models come with a different type of trim and that's a different fit. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But we've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, the SkyLine tower, which you just saw has a quick release feature. Locks are not included, but they are recommended with that ability to quickly remove and install the system. All that connected to the vehicle using landing pad 18, crossbar spacing of 32 inches center to center, and weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pricing, availability, and to purchase with just a couple clicks, click on the link in the description below and that'll take you back to our website for all that good info. So again, this is it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.